Hey guys, Austin back with another video, and today we're going to be exploring up into the woods, and I'm at my friend Johnny's house. And make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the post notifications bell so you get notified every time I make a new video, and hit the thumbs up button. And I want to hit 5 likes on this video, and let's get right into it. Okay, so let's go. Okay. Whoa. Really muddy up in through here. Guys, I am under an umbrella so my phone doesn't get all wet. Let's go. My stupid briars. Okay, guys, we'll be back in a minute. Hey guys, we're back. We decided to go down the hill and then cut up in the woods from there because it's too slick and too steep of hills. Oh crap! To go where we're gonna go. So, on here. And as you can hear right now, it is pouring down the rain. But we have this little umbrella. Thank God. My shoulders are getting wet a little bit. It's not really big enough for me. But here's the creek. A pipeline down through there. Up from the house, the sewage. Oh crap. Ah. Nah, sewage. Ah. Sorry guys for all the noise, but it is really pouring down the rain right now. If it starts to lightning, we're going to have to stop recording, because you know why. There's a creek line. Oh look, there's something blue over there. Let's see what that is. Trying to get down here in the creek. Oh, let's go. It's a good thing I wore my mud boots today. Oh, looks like a broken piece of shovel. And guys, I'll see you in a minute. I gotta use the bathroom. Okay guys, we're back. And my friend gonna go use the restroom real quick. And we are in the woods right now. Okay. Oh fudge, I just slipped into the water hole. Sorry for a bad language. He just slipped badly. It's starting to rain really hard right now. Ah, crap. It's starting to rain really hard right now. I think we're gonna have to find some shelter to stand under. Maybe your trampoline up there will work.
I know where some shelter is.
Maybe your trampoline will work. Get under that.
That over there.
Where?
That over there.
Remember, there's wasps over there, remember?
Oh yeah, but I think they're all dead.
Probably, but wanna just go try under your trampoline? Let's just go try under your trampoline. My phone is getting really wet right now. And guys, make sure you comment down below more videos, ideas that you want us to do, and what you want us to do more. And comment down below what you want us to do next.
I hate sewage.
Yeah, it's really stinky out here, guys. I wish you guys could smell what we were smelling because it stinks. It is gross. Look at all this sewage and stuff on the ground. Gross. You can see, look, regular grass, sewage water grass. Regular grass, sewage water grass. There's a big difference in between those two. All right under here is a shelter from the house. Oh man, this umbrella isn't really keeping me.
And there's bunnies too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
We're good under here. Guys, I'll be back. I gotta wipe off my phone.